Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. We take a look here at this price action in the short term. Would like to add some more labels here to the move to the upside. If you haven't watched the previous videos, my view is that ADA has not completed the bear market yet. I think we still have some more lows to come. You can see it outlined here. This is the price action since May. You can see that ADA has been stuck in an ending diagonal wave structure Elliott wave pattern. Came down in a wave 1 to around 40 cents here in July, then moved up in a wave 2 to around 60 cents in August, has then been coming down in October, end of October, to around 34 cents, moved up in a wave 4 and is now, in my opinion, in a wave 5, but this fifth wave again has 5 sub-waves. And if we now look at this, we can understand, or we can see that ADA is in a so-called ABC structure in this wave 5. That's possible because it's an ending diagonal, so all of these other sub-waves can also be counted as ABC. You can see that very nicely here in the wave 3. This is not a 5-wave move. This is an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And we have a similar situation here. A wave, B wave, C wave. And I'd like to show you this ABC structure in a bit more detail for anybody who's new. So we're talking here about from the off the high here at 44 cents back in November. Came down an A wave, moved basically in a triangle. No, sorry, it wasn't a triangle, it was an ABC pattern in a wave B. And we're now coming down in a C wave. Now this C wave in itself has, oops, didn't want to do that. This C wave in itself has 5 waves. So if we just add these to the chart, then you will see that we most likely haven't finished off this bear market low. I mean, also, if I consider what I expect for Bitcoin, which is another low in the 14K region, then it would be quite unrealistic to assume that ADA, especially in the current environment here, is suddenly start to move up. So we have 5 waves down in what I believe is a wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of that C wave. And that would complete the bear market, in my opinion. Targets, we looked at that yesterday. We've got target at 18 cents and 10 cents. It depends on how we react to the 18-cent level if we get there. And then we can take it from there. Very important, this 5-wave move down could theoretically have completed the bear market already. Yeah, we've got 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I showed you all of that in previous videos on the lower time frame. We've got 5 waves in that move. So the option is either this 5-wave move down completed the C wave, because the C wave is in itself a 5-wave move. But again, my expectation is that this 5-wave move was only a wave 1 of a larger 5-wave move. That's obviously a bit of an unknown, but my looking at the context and everything, I do expect that we haven't completed it yet, especially as long as we are still in this descending channel. And someone asked me, can we have a bullish scenario as well? Well, it's quite straightforward, that bullish scenario. I mean, we talked about this being the target here in white for the pullback currently, the corrective wave 2. This goes all the way up to 31 cents basically, depending, it depends on the Fibonacci retracements. That's what it's based on. If we go, however, above the 78.6% retracement, 31 cents, then we can consider something more bullish. It might not become primary expectation, but the point here is, if we see off a low here, 5 waves up, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we get a 3-wave pullback, A, B, C, and then we see some kind of a micro 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold the 3 waves down. That is when I'm going to tell you that, well, we have a possible 1-2 setup and the low could be in. And then we could obviously go up from here. Is it rather unrealistic? Yes, it's rather improbable at the moment. But Bitcoin also, obviously, I mean, there is a certain probability that Bitcoin has already got its low in. I mean, yesterday I showed you on the 2-week chart for Bitcoin, the bullish crossover that's coming, yeah, on the MACD. So there are things that, you know, Bitcoin can already start to move. Is it realistic? At the moment, probably not too much. But there are signals that we can look at in the charts, and if these signals come up, then we can consider that a low has been made. So that would be the bullish signal here. Until then, my expectation will be to come down lower. And at the moment, however, we're following the primary expectation that we go higher short term. Yeah, we broke above the resistance level over the weekend. We are now pushing higher. And if I go to the 1 hour chart, we can just add some labeling. Expectation here is in the short term that we are in this wave 2. The wave 2 is an ABC move, highlighted here in yellow. A, B, C. We're probably now in this A wave. The A wave itself could be a 3-wave move. A, B, C. Could also become a 5-wave move. We don't know that yet. The rather corrective structure of this rather suggests to me it's an ABC, but we will be able to tell that, you know, soon. It doesn't make a difference though in the short term at the moment. Yeah. We talked in the previous video about a target for this white C wave, ABC. We are on track to reaching that. We've reached already the first level that would be relevant for a C wave. It's, however, in my opinion, too short. It's not a very frequent target that you often see. The 61.8% extension of the A wave. A more likely target would be the 1-to-1 ratio at 27.4 cents. So all I can add at the moment here to this lower level wave count is if we assume we are now in this C wave, basically a C wave of A, then yeah, it would be something like this, that this is a wave 1, we've come down in 2, and we would now move higher. Yeah, this wave 3 cannot be complete yet, because target would be the 1.618 extension at 27.1 cents. It's too short. So, I mean, this at the moment to the upside looks to me like a 3-wave move. So it would be good to get one more leg up here to finish off the 3rd wave. But this is for me a 5-wave move up. Here wave 2, so 1, 2. And now we just need to wait to push higher. Maybe this move down here was just a retest of the resistance area here in red. Let me just zoom in. So let me see. Just want to move that a little bit. So bit of a retest maybe. We didn't really touch it, but then again I didn't define it in a very accurate way. Maybe it goes even a bit higher if you look at that to the end of those candles. Yeah. So in that sense we touched it, retested, and saw a bullish engulfing candle. So in all likelihood you would now expect it to continue to the upside based on the Elliott wave count, based on the bullish engulfing candle, based on a successful flip of resistance to support. So let's see if we get there. Signal for that would be a breakout above 26.6 cents. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.